Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on this zeolite detox and just telling you my experience so far. Now these drops, unlike many others, are suitable for children and adults, and the serving size will just change depending on who it's for. It's got all of the information here on the bottle, and it's got information around the box as well. Now the zeolite in this is commonly used to help with heavy metal detoxing, but they also have this paired with some vitamins like B12, D3, and C. So this can help support the immune system and just help with overall energy. And this is a more gentle, all natural formula as well. So I really love all of that about these drops. Now you do want to make sure that you give this a really good shake. The zeolite in this is pretty heavy and it can tend to sink or stick to the bottle. So you want to make sure you give it a good shake. And if you see like a bluish green color, especially sticking inside the tube, it might be that you didn't shake it well enough and you'll see that zeolite up in the tube. But as long as you give it a good shake, you won't run into that. You can take the drops directly in the mouth, or you can mix them with a water or a juice. That's going to be especially great for children that maybe won't favor the taste, but the taste is really great. It tastes like orange. It doesn't taste artificial. It's not overly sweet. For children 10 and older and adults, the dosing is 4 milliliters, which is easy to measure because right here on the dropper, you have measurements. So it goes up to 1 milliliter, and you can take this up to twice a day. Or for children under 10 years old, they can do 2 milliliters up to twice a day. The taste is truly wonderful. I love all of the natural aspects to this, and I love that it can possibly help with heavy metal detox. So if that's something you guys were looking for, this is a really great product. I think you guys would love it. I would definitely give this a try.